Today I will show you how to insert picture and how to create a table in Microsoft Word. First of all, let's go to find Microsoft Word. Okay. So to insert to add a picture, let's go to Insert tab. Then you will see Picture. Then let's add picture from your file. Insert. Then you can format your pictures in any styles, any shape, and you can adjust it. Let's change it one by one. And you have more. There are many styles. Okay. So let's do with this one. Let's adjust the size that as much as you want. Okay. And also you can adjust your color. Change any color that you like. Let's change this one. And just the effect. Let's change this one. Okay, if you don't like, you can change it again. Okay. Okay. And you can add border, you can add color of your border. And picture effect. You want shadow or inner style or glow. Let's change. Let's change this one. And picture layout. You can even add in text like this. Let's text. And you can even change the color. And also adjust the designs. Smart art styles. Okay. So let's go to do how to insert a table. Let's go backspace, another space. Okay. So here's the table, and you can insert a table through here, or insert yourself 6 columns, 3 rows. Fix auto. Okay. Okay. Or you can draw by yourself. Let's draw the same size. Okay, so after you draw, you can insert below. You can insert column, you can insert left and right, and you can march, but first of all you have to select it. So march cells, then it's marched together, or split it. Okay, so you can even split or just split it. Okay, so these are the two things that insert picture and insert table. I hope it is helpful for you. Thank you very much.